15,200. Ah. 2,750. I bought 5. Guys, this should be enough for the month. I can't die.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Hi guys, and welcome back to a new vlog, guys. So today is 5th of September, and guys, I want to go and get some stuff for the house, like for everybody. So we are out of some product already, like some stuff already. So it's like a grocery shopping, guys. And guys, one of the reasons why I'm going today is because yesterday, or is it the day before yesterday, the price of petrol increased from how much? I think from 600 to 900. I don't even know how much they are selling this thing. Yeah, but the price increased, and I know that that is going to affect a lot of things. Like the price of rice will increase, the price of everything will increase. So I just want to use this opportunity. I even hope that it's still like the same price, because now I heard that rice is around, I think 78,000 per bag. So if maybe I will tell you the price of everything, but that is where I'm going today. Seriously, it's not like I still have rice, I still have some stuff, but I just don't want to be, you know how Nigeria now, like things will just start increasing and the price will never go down. So at least if I can buy a bag of rice, at least to last for 3 months in this house, hoping so that's just that. So I have my list already on my phone, what I just want to buy, like not something that much, because I'm trying to like cut cost. Like this situation, this economy, Nigeria economy, you have to like cut your clothes according to your size. So that's what I'm trying to do. And yeah, let me just take you around. I'm not so sure I will show you everything, I'm not so sure, but let's just go and let's see. Yeah. So guys, I had to put what I want to buy. I have to like write them down. So yeah, to decide what I want to buy, and God should help me, because my budget is okay, my bad means there. If I got 500, oh, she cool. How many bags? Guys, I just came back from the market and I'm so hungry. I will show you what I got later, but first let's eat. This is going to be the first meal of the day, and this is currently almost after 3, Abby. Oh, this is almost 3:30. Guys, I'm so hungry. Guys, seriously, the price of things, the price of things are things are so expensive. I'm so tired. Jack is also eating. He's also tired. Like everybody's tired. Actually, I went to the market with him, but I was inside the car all through. This is the fastest thing I can think of. What was it? I should not talk. You want to say hello? So guys, I just finished eating and now I have strength and energy to film and continue my vlog. Exactly, yes, we have that energy to continue this. Yeah, so guys, I have the list. This is actually the list I put down. This is the list from the market. So I'll be, guys, my baby is here, so guys, you should understand. So I'll be using the list to show you what I got. So the first thing is, let me start with what I have here, guys. Yeah, this is anti-bee spag. Guys, I've never tried this spag before, and I don't like any other spaghetti apart from the slim one. So I bought 10 of this, and they don't have that golden penny. Then I cannot be searching around for golden penny That's the normal one that you know. So this one is God, how would I see this thing like this? So guys, this one 10 is 8,200 naira for 10 pieces. I bought 2 cartons of noodles. 2 cartons of noodles for 15,200. So one is 7,600 naira each. I have beans here. This is 3 congos of beans for 14,100 naira. So I bought this. This is my baby's food, Nutribon, and this is I bought 4. So this 4 is 7,320. 7,320 for this 4 of Nutribon. I bought this biscuit for one pack is 1,310. Is 3,200. A pack of Capri Sun is 6,800. I bought Coke. Coke is okay. I bought 2 Coke and Fanta. So these 2 Coke and Fanta. Let me put this one down. Coke and Fanta is 7,600, and this fresh yo is 5,780 because it's actually 11. It's not 12. I bought 11 pieces for 5,780. Row of no is 3,800. 3,800 for 1 row. Custard is 1,050 naira. Titus is, I bought 5. Guys, this should be enough for the month. I can't die. This is 5,000 naira. Like 5,000 naira for this thing. One is 1,000 naira. Eh? Then, anyways, don't let me talk. To be as somebody's old. This is 5,000 naira Titus. 880, 780. So in case you want to go to the market, you can actually use this as a guide. So Milo is 11,860 for 2 of these. 11,860 for my baby. He uses rub every day. 3 of these. And this rub is 900 naira. So one is 300 naira there. I don't even know if it is cheap there. I bought 3. Dano for the adults. I bought 2 Dano. 2 Dano is 5,000. No, one is 5,680. So I bought 2. Oh, my baby's Dano too. So this Dano is 15,680 for this 4. One is 1.5 for this 2. So one is 750. 5 Congos of Garis. 5 Congo of Garis. 5. Hey Jesus. So 1 Congo is 1,000 naira. So 5 Congo is 5,000 naira. So Viva is 4,350 for 3 pack. 4,350 for 3 of these. Money Fresh is 1,980. 2,750. 3,100 naira. Guys, I'm yet to buy egg. I'm yet to buy semo, so I'll go and get semo tomorrow and golden more. Yeah, everything is going to like 300,000 naira for all this small thing like this. And I don't even know if it is going to last for 1 month. I doubt that because this one is just 12. Guys, seriously, things are very, very expensive now. Like, the woman was even saying that the rice is going to increase. Okay, there is rice, a bag of rice inside the can here too. There's nobody to bring down yet. So a bag of rice is 77,000 naira, and she was saying that by this time tomorrow the price might have increased. So she's just giving me the current price, like today's price. So guys, things are very expensive. Like, imagine somebody's minimum wage is 30k, or how much are they? Even for that 70k, It's not even enough. There is no water. I have a lot of things that I'm still yet to buy. I'm yet to buy water. There is no meat though. There's no meat, there's no chicken there. All these ones is just that 300,000 naira. God, guys, prayer is just that God should keep providing for us, because this country is going somewhere else. It's really going somewhere else, guys. So I have to do the arrangement later. That will not be done by me because I can't do anything. I'm really tired, so I'll do the arrangement. They will help me to do the arrangements later, and yeah, I have to cook in the evening. So let me just go and relax and rest and prepare for the cooking. Yeah. So guys, in case you want to buy any of these, like, you can just use this as a guide. The place I bought all these things from is where they are selling those things. So just to get this done for 4,220 before, and that woman says like 3,850 or so. So it's so cheap over there, and that is what I have to buy for.
But I'm so frustrated.